Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 2 and we will be present about meeting attendance data PT Kartawinata. We are from Group 2 and my name is Rio Syafitra and my friends.
My name is Irham Atha. Now we going to next.
This project is about the data collection for absent, meeting conduction PT Kartawinata, and this is a discussion as well as entering the data of employee who follow the absence. This absence is very used for employee who attend this meeting as the purpose of discipline and cooperation of PT Kartawinata employee. In the meeting attendance data, which employee fill in the data that has been created, their number collected and will be collected through existing table, and we can create employee data that follow his absence by using the coding that we have made this. And next, my friend.
Okay, so the first thing is the data is the connection. So this doesn't connect. Why is we have the connection? Because the connection is how we connection the NetBeans to the MySQL that we made the database. So we get connection and make the database is progress. And you see this is string URL JDBC MySQL, the local host 3306 based on database in the signal in the server what we made and what we make the database. Okay, next is the data pegawai. So data pegawai is what is the one we want to explanation. So we have the table one, the table that we want to input to make in data. Next is we have the ambil GK, ambil status, and ambil agama and ambil kehadiran. So both of the four of this is the chosen what we want to choosing into the data. So they make to get selected from each other sentence. So it's the simpan is safe. So we have the simpan is we upload the data. Okay, name, the director, the gender, the status, the address, until the attendance. So this tambah is adding. So the adding is adding the data from the people what absent. So it have to be dating to the data to make data is complete. Next is edit. Now if the edit is to edit data that it have a mistake, so we just edit the data that should be editing, and this is what we made. The data, the status, the attendance, and the next is hapus. Hapus it means erase it. So we erase it. The data it failed. Then is the table most. The table is what we want to pull in the most in the table. What are we want to going to adding into table? Okay, and this is the input. And the data pegawai code. So the code is the data that we want to put in the MySQL and also in in design that we want to edit in that. So this is what we want putting. So if one wrong, it could be mistake to other. So how to save is first is fill the form attached above and press simpan buttons. As you can see in above, we fill the data and EIP, the name, the rank, the gender, religion, status, address, and attendance. Next, press the OK. Next, and then the data is appear in table. Next is add. The adding is added the data that what one we adding more of the data. So write the name of the employee that one we want to enter to the data, as you can see here. Then we click tambah or add, and then it appears on the table. Force edit. So again, as you can see, the both of them are in the table. But if we want to change that, if we want to change the NIP, the name, the rank, and the gender that must be failed, so we have to make an edit. First is press the edit, and it can appear like this. It berhasil is did it okay, and then we change the what one we want to change it. Then it appeared after we press edit. As you can see. Next is delete. Press the hapus button. That one we delete it show yakin mau hapus, or it means are you sure you want to be deleted. If we want, press yes button, but if not, just leave it. Then it show berhasil, that means it did it. Then press OK button to code, and it disappeared itself. Okay, before time, I want to show you the practical of this project. Okay. Okay, it's appearing now. If we want to adding, just take this. Okay, if you want to adding the data, then if you want to editing, just editing this this. And if you want to delete the data, just add this and click the hapus or erase it. Okay. Okay, I think that's all of them, and thank you for the presentation. Thank you. Now I'm going to the Rio.
That's all from us. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Ulang nggak sih itu apa yang bagian itunya?